Let's be honest. Popcorn cravings are real, and most of us don't have time to whip up a stovetop batch at home when we need a crunchy, satisfying movie night treat. So instead, we turn to microwave popcorn. Popcorn is full of fiber, low in fat and calories, and a whole grain food. But if regular old popcorn is such a smart snack choice, why is there a reason why you should second-guess your microwave popcorn consumption? Well, one reason is extra ingredients. When you make popcorn at home, you probably use a little olive oil and a sprinkle of salt. But when you pop a bag of the microwave stuff, you often choose a snack with 2 or 3 times as many ingredients. And in this video, you will be able to look at which ingredients are the biggest offenders. Let's get started. Brands no longer use trans fats in their popcorn products, which is good news, but the bad news is that some now use palm oil instead. That's not great for your heart health. One 2015 study published in the Journal of Nutrition suggests palm oil increases LDL cholesterol more than vegetable oil thanks to its higher saturated fat content. But regardless of whether it's palm oil or vegetable oil on the ingredient list of your microwave popcorn, there's a high likelihood that you'll be eating a good amount of saturated fat when you grab a handful. Some of the worst microwave popcorn bags contain between 4 and 6 grams of saturated fat per serving, accounting for between 20 and 30% of your daily nutrient value in just one serving. Have you checked the sodium on your favorite bag of microwave popcorn? Unless your brand says it uses no salt, you could consume upwards of 300 milligrams of sodium per serving. FYI, the ideal daily intake of sodium is 1,500 milligrams, for the American Heart Association, so that's 20% of your daily intake in just a tiny snack. Studies have shown that diets higher in sodium are associated with hypertension. In addition, one 2015 study in the Journal of the American College of Cardiology, for example, suggests that excess sodium can affect many different body systems, causing adverse effects on your brain and kidneys, along with your cardiovascular system. Many microwave popcorn bags contain chemicals to preserve the ingredients, add flavoring, and keep grease from soaking through the bag. Unfortunately, manufacturers used to use perfluoroalkyl and polyfluoroalkyl substances, PFAs, which the Environmental Protection Agency, EPA, says the exposure of which was linked to numerous types of cancer and some other harmful health conditions. This led to the entire microwave popcorn industry removing their popcorn. But while popcorn manufacturers have stopped using certain PFAs known to be harmful, plenty of other PFAs substitutes are being used. For example, a 2020 study published in Environmental Health Perspectives found that microwave popcorn almost always contains some PFAs, and that people who regularly eat it have higher serum levels of these compounds than those who don't. While microwave popcorn as a whole category can be a minefield of unhealthy options, that doesn't mean you need to swear off the stuff entirely. Some pre-packaged microwave popcorns can turn healthy food into one full of bad-for-you ingredients. To give yourself complete control over what you're eating, skip the shortcut and pop your own corn, even if it takes a couple of extra minutes. I hope you liked the video and learned something new from it. If you are interested in similar content, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I also encourage you to leave a comment below if you have something to say about the video or any suggestions for the channel. See you soon.